Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. DSP Blackrock Mutual Fund has bought 5,72,000 shares of an engineering company at Rs 1400 on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Now Bhadresh Kantilal Shah was the seller with 29,99,999 shares sold at Rs 1400.06. Now for those of you who do not know, Bhadresh Kantilal Shah is from the promoter group, and his selling out such a huge chunk of shares coupled with such a strong institution entering the stock leaves us in a dilemma as to what should be our future course of action in this stock. Please watch this video to know more about the particulars of this company. Now the company in question is AIA Engineering Limited, which is available at 1429.35, and the symbol for it is AIA ENG. Now AIA Engineering Limited manufactures and markets a range of high chromium consumable wear parts. The company employs alloy casting process for manufacture of the products, which entails designing and choosing the high chrome alloy composition in relation to the end application. Now the 1 year chart would reveal that this company has literally been choppy. It has gone up sometimes but again has fallen down in price. The market cap of the company is 13,481.68 crores, which means that the company is a mid cap one. The EPS is 46.84, translating into a reasonable price to earnings ratio of 30.52, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 29.65. The book value is 256.79, translating into a price to book ratio of 5.57. The dividend yield is 0.56, whereas the promoter holding here is decent at 61.65. The 52-week high for the company stands at 1709.75, whereas the 52-week low is 1273.00. Now friends, please don't treat this as any sort of a stock recommendation. Please go ahead and do your own research. Even though a very strong mutual fund is coming in, but the promoter selling out indicates that there may be uncertain times ahead. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are benefited by the content of this video, please don't forget to share this.